Oh, yeah, she's a leaker. Look at her rear main close.
All right, well, I better make a list of things to do. We need the pan gasket in the rear main, clutch and flywheel, the fuel pump, dispose of the old gas, center the steering rack, flush all the brake fluid, install the engine and transmission, plug everything in, plug the old computer in, get rear tires, get fresh coolant in it, and send it. And I think this should go without saying that if you watch the short I just uploaded saying that that motor is going in my Subaru, it's a joke.